Hi, I'm Larry Moore. Come take a test drive on an all-new 2020 Ford Mustang California Special Edition here at Rollo Ford. This vehicle retains the imagery of the 1968 California Special with a gloss black grille and pony set that is unique. With a 5.0 460 horsepower engine and a custom strut tower brakes. This vehicle has a 12-inch digital display with upgraded sound systems, Apple CarPlay, Sync 3 system, and Mustang toggle switches. With a gloss black aluminum 19-inch spoke wheels. So, come see me, Larry Moore, or any of our other sales consultants here at Rollo Ford.